Hi, my dear students. Welcome to An Academy. This is your BVD sir. A great news to the all of you. As you might know, Airport Authority of India has released a notification now for the 400 vacancies. And for these vacancies, all branch students are eligible. EC, electrical, civil, mechanical, computer science, chemical, all branch students are eligible to write these exams. So, as per the demand of the students, so Unacademy is launching the exclusively special batch for Airport Authority of India. In this, the maths, physics, general studies, and aptitude, all the subjects are covered in detailed manner. And there are the different subscriptions are available: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 month subscription are available with a very nominal fee. By using a code of BV Reddy, you can get additional discount. Let's crack it.